Hello, everyone. This is Sergio Fernandez again. I just wanted to get up this video up in my web page, in my YouTube page as fast as possible. As a placeholder, I'll put up a video explaining how I got to this equation later on. This is a prime counting function. It's based on my earlier equation, my prime checker equation. My earlier equation, basically you give it an x and it'll tell you if it's prime or not. This equation takes that equation and manipulates it a little bit, and now this equation, what it does, it's tell you how many prime numbers there are between 2 and any given number. So I don't know if I said it earlier in this video, but if you put in 100, 1,000, 3,455, whatever, this will calculate how many prime numbers there are between 2 and any given arbitrary number. I know there's another prime number function out there, which is I don't think people have proved that it works, or they just observed that it works, and it gives approximations, which I think get better as the number gets bigger. This doesn't give any approximation. This gives an exact value, and I'll put up a video showing you the proof of how it works. So this is not an observation, this is not an approximation, this is a simple equation which I derived from my other equation, my prime function equation, which will give you a definite exact value of how many primes there are between x equals 2 and any given r value. That's it. Thank you, and I'll put up, like I said, this is just a placeholder. I'll put up a detailed explanation of how this equation works. I also put up an equation to tell you which are the twin primes. It's also based on my primary prime number checker equation. So if you want to, you could look over my prime number checker equation, see how explain how that works. Look over my twin prime equation, see how that also works, and I'll put up a video later on explaining how this one works. Also, I'm not sure if I need to do it or not. Deriving the density of prime number equation, it's pretty straightforward from this equation. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it up or not. It's just a very simple step, or I might just actually, when I explain how this function works, just include the density equation at the end. I don't think it's a huge leap from this to the density equation, but that's it. This is the equation. It works. It's based on my prime checker function equation, and I'll put up a detailed explanation of how I arrived at this equation and how it works later on. Thanks, everybody.